We're here at 633 Chattanooga Street here in Chattanooga. Oh no, this is my least favorite kind of impulse. Look at how tall I'm short. No. Oh boy, yes.
Wow, fast.
This is the fun one. Oh yeah, this. Wow. Pretty nice up here. That's a tall CLP. It says ThyssenKrupp, but it's actually Dover. I mean, these are nice elevators.
I'm gonna change to the top.
Yeah.
I'm gonna jump out here.
Okay. Ding. Yeah, let's fix it, Tom. No. There we go. I'm short. Like, this is like a non-ADA compliant CLP. Look at that. I'm literally short. But this is a nice elevator. Watch this. Yeah, let's fix it, Tom. Yeah, let's do it. Nope. That Dover. Oh, this is nice up here. The what? I just push the button. Look at that. Alrighty, let's go down to 1. Look at all those buttons. Oh yeah. Whoa! Look at all these buttons. even that WC button is way up there. Like super short. Like this would not be up to 88 codes if it's installed today, because of how short I am. No. Got it. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah, in the video. 1. Here we go. Oh gosh, that's an awesome power stop right there. And we're gonna end the video here. That was pretty cool. Definitely pretty cool. The elevator lobby. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.